Hello and welcome to my channel. About a year ago I bought these Milliontronic security Torx set off Amazon. Look at some of the more common ones, the T15s that I would use and T10s. You can see they're badly worn there. And that comes with dismantling tools and dismantling batteries. But I decided to reinvest in my Torx and get new ones. New ones from Amazon today. I'm hoping these are going to be the daddy, as they say. They're called Sabrecut. I don't know how good they're going to be, but time will tell, and I will revisit them the same way as I've revisited the Milliontronic. I don't like the way they didn't come in a packet, but they do look quite strong. Another thing I do like about them is they're magnetic. That could be helpful. Seems like a good tight fit for now. As I can say, time will tell. It's got the full range of from T10 up to T30. And I'll leave a link in the description to show you where to buy them. This second set now, I'm not expecting these to be as good a quality. However, I do feel they'll be a welcome addition to the workshop here because of the range that's on them. They've got a wee holder which makes them more desirable in that respect. Makes them more desirable in the Sabrecut in that respect. Another thing that helps is the range that there is there. They start down very low here. I want to get this one out here. They're well in there. They are well in there. Anyway. T5 and T6 right up to T40. The ones I would commonly use would be T10, T15, T20, sometimes T25. But sometimes you need a T8 for a battery board and sometimes you need a T6 for a laser. I'm going to also put a link in the description there. They're called a Hakkin. You know, I'm going to put a link in the description for them also, that you can see how you get on. That's a tight holder and that'll be useful. So I might revisit these in maybe 6 months or a year's time to see how they're standing up to things. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and check out my channel for more videos.